Hey guys, so the first thing we're going to do is start by packing the green on. So keep packing the green on, and as you pack, start blending. We want the green to be vibrant as possible. So now we're going to go ahead and grab a light shimmery green to help blend out the edges and go ahead and blend it up to the brow bone. So go ahead and grab a light blue and just put that on your crease and blend it out. Once you're done blending it out, go ahead and grab a darker blue and start packing it on. Just keep on packing on the blue and blending back and forth. And if you need to, go in with a little lighter blue and blend it out into the green. Just keep blending and building up that dark blue. So now I'm just going to take a little bit more of that light blue and blend it in with the dark blue and the green to get a smooth transition. So now we're just going to go ahead and grab some concealer and cut the crease. So go ahead and start packing that green you first started with right at the edge, and then go ahead and start blending it with the blue. Now we're going to use some of that shimmery green we used on our brow bone and then just pop that right in the middle. And we're just going to quickly go over everything, make sure everything is blended out seamlessly. So I'm just going to pop some highlighter in the inner corner, and next thing you need to do is blend out a blue and a green on the under eye and add some lash.